It's Tricky Tuesday. I am Miss Becca and I am about to show you something really cool. It's about the magical number 9. I'll be showing you 2 tricks about the number 9. Let's go. Have you ever noticed that the digits in the 9 times table always add up to 9? That is, when you have 9 times 1, 1 times 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 will give 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 plus 8 would give 9, and so on till you get to 10. This is to tell you that whenever you multiply 9 by anything and you add up the digits and it is not giving 9, that means you've got a wrong answer. Let's say you were asked what is 9 times 5 and you said 9 times 5 is 53. When you add 5 and 3, it gives 8. This automatically tells you that you are wrong. Your answer is wrong. Then you will be able to solve again. Isn't that cool? Every answer is hiding the number 9 inside it. Now, here is where it gets even better. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. This is called the finger trick for 9. When you want to multiply any number by 9 from 1 to 10, all you have to do is to raise both ends up like this. Assuming you want to multiply 3 by 9, just put down, count from left, start counting from left, such that you have 1, 2, 3. This is where number 3 is. Fold that finger. When you fold that finger, count the remaining fingers you have from the left and count the ones you have on your right. And that is your answer. From the left, we have how many fingers? 1, 2. And on the right hand side, we have how many fingers? These are 7 fingers. So that means 3 times 9 is 27. 2 and 7. Isn't that cool? Let's try another one. Let's say 4 times 9. You fold the 4th finger. This is 4. This is number 4. Then you count the left one, the fingers by the left. This is 3. And the fingers by the right. This is 6. That gives 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Let's take it higher a bit. Let's multiply 9 by 9. When we count from the left, this is 5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the finger, the ninth finger. So we fold it. So you count from the left. How many fingers do you have by the left? This will give 8 fingers. How many fingers do you have by the right? This is 1. So that means 9 times 9 is 81. Try it yourself and you realize how cool this is. You can use this to multiply 9 by any number from 1 to 10. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.